We are interested to know how efficiently the bus transit system is operating. We define efficiency as a combination of multiple factors, including the speed of the bus, number of people who are waiting, and the capacity of the buses. We use these parameters in the application. Here we can enter them and change them and see how the values are getting updated. And also we get the distribution of the passengers, the ones who are waiting, who are entering the bus stop, and who are transferring, through a text file that you see here. And based on those, at every step of the simulation, we generate numbers and calculate the efficiency. So just for the sake of simplicity, I put 1 for all these coefficients and calculate the efficiency right at the beginning of the simulation. Once I start moving the buses, based on these distributions, we generate numbers for passengers that are waiting, entering, and transferring, and as a result, the waiting passengers value changes. So the system efficiency has to change, and once you click on system efficiency, you see the updated value.